Best ETFs to buy for long-term wealth. Now, the truth is, you don't need to become a stock market expert to build real wealth. You don't have to predict the next Apple or Nvidia. You don't need to spend hours watching financial news or constantly buying and selling stocks. In fact, some of the wealthiest long-term investors keep their strategy surprisingly simple, and it all starts with ETFs. Today, I'll show you some of the best ETFs that many long-term investors use to grow their wealth steadily while reducing unnecessary risk. Stay until the end because I'll also share a simple ETF portfolio that can help you invest with confidence for years to come. Let's get started. Welcome back to Money Solutions, the channel dedicated to helping Americans make smarter financial decisions and build a stronger financial future. Whether you're investing for retirement, saving for your children's education, or simply trying to grow your wealth, ETFs can be one of the most powerful tools available. Before we begin, remember that this video is for educational purposes only. It is not personalized financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. Now, let's answer the first question. What is an ETF? ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of an ETF as a basket filled with investments. Instead of buying shares of just one company, an ETF allows you to own small pieces of many different companies with a single purchase. For example, one ETF may own hundreds or even thousands of companies across different industries. That means your investment isn't dependent on the success of one business alone. If one company performs poorly, the others can help balance your portfolio. This built-in diversification is one of the biggest reasons ETFs have become so popular among beginner and experienced investors alike. Why millions of Americans invest in ETFs? Instant diversification, low investment costs, easy to buy and sell, suitable for retirement accounts, lower risk than owning only a few individual stocks, excellent for long-term investing. Why long-term investing works? Many people believe investing is about getting rich quickly. It isn't. Successful investing is usually about consistency and patience. History has shown that despite recessions, financial crises, inflation, political uncertainty, and market crashes, the U.S. stock market has continued to grow over long periods. Short-term prices may move up and down dramatically, but long-term investors focus on years, not weeks. That's why many experienced investors continue investing even during difficult markets. Instead of trying to predict tomorrow's prices, they simply keep investing regularly. This approach is often called dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals regardless of market conditions. It helps remove emotion from investing and encourages discipline. Now let's look at some ETFs that many investors consider strong candidates for long-term portfolios. ETF number 1, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO. The first ETF on our list is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, commonly known by its ticker symbol VOO. This ETF tracks the S&P 500 index, which represents approximately 500 of America's largest publicly traded companies. When you buy one share of VOO, you instantly gain exposure to companies across many industries. These include well-known businesses involved in technology, healthcare, financial services, consumer products, and industrial manufacturing. Why do so many investors like VOO? Because it offers broad exposure to some of the strongest companies in the United States while maintaining a very low expense ratio. That means more of your money stays invested rather than being used to pay management fees. Many retirement portfolios include VOO because it has historically provided solid long-term growth potential, although past performance does not guarantee future results. If you're looking for a simple way to invest in America's largest companies, VOO is often one of the first ETFs investors consider. ETF number 2, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI. Our second ETF is Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, or VTI. Unlike VOO, which focuses mainly on large companies, VTI aims to represent nearly the entire U.S. stock market. That means it includes large-cap companies, mid-cap companies, Small cap companies. In other words, you're investing in thousands of American businesses instead of only the largest ones. This broader exposure gives investors the opportunity to participate in growth across different segments of the economy. Many financial professionals appreciate VTI because it offers exceptional diversification with very low costs. If smaller companies become tomorrow's market leaders, VTI allows you to participate in that growth without trying to predict which companies will succeed. For investors seeking broad U.S. market exposure in one investment, VTI is frequently viewed as a strong core holding. ETF number 3, Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD. Our third ETF is SCHD. This ETF focuses on high-quality companies that have demonstrated strong financial health and a history of paying dividends. What are dividends? They're payments that some companies distribute to shareholders from their profits. Many investors choose to reinvest those dividends, purchasing additional shares over time. This creates another opportunity for long-term growth through compounding. SCHD generally invests in businesses with strong cash flow, stable earnings, healthy balance sheets, consistent dividend histories. Many retirees appreciate dividend-focused investing because it can provide income while still allowing investments to grow. Even younger investors often include dividend ETFs because reinvesting dividends over decades may significantly increase long-term wealth. Of course, dividends are never guaranteed, and companies can reduce or eliminate them during difficult times. Still, SCHD has become one of the most widely followed dividend ETFs among long-term investors. Why diversification matters. Imagine putting all your money into one company. If that company struggles, your entire investment suffers. Now imagine owning hundreds or even thousands of companies across different industries. One company may decline. Another may grow rapidly. Over time, diversification can help reduce the impact of any single company's performance on your portfolio. That's exactly why ETFs have become such valuable investment tools. Rather than betting everything on one stock, you're participating in the growth of many businesses at once. And that's a much more balanced approach for many long-term investors. ETF number 4, Invesco QQQ Trust, QQQ. Our fourth ETF is the Invesco QQQ Trust, better known by its ticker symbol QQQ. QQQ tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, which includes many of the largest non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ stock market. It has significant exposure to technology and innovation-driven businesses. This ETF includes many well-known companies involved in areas such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, software, semiconductors, e-commerce, digital payments. Because QQQ is heavily weighted toward technology and growth companies, it has historically experienced larger price swings than broader market ETFs. That means it may rise faster during strong markets, but it can also decline more during market corrections. If you have a long investment horizon and can tolerate more volatility, QQQ may complement a diversified portfolio. However, many investors avoid making it their only investment because it is concentrated in a single sector of the economy. Remember, diversification remains one of the most effective ways to manage investment risk. ETF number 5, Vanguard FTSE All-World ex-US ETF, VU. Many American investors focus only on U.S. companies. While the United States is one of the world's strongest economies, opportunities also exist in other parts of the world. That's where VU comes in. This ETF invests in companies located outside the United States, providing exposure to developed and emerging international markets. It includes businesses from regions such as Europe, Japan, Canada, Australia, South Korea, India, Taiwan, Brazil, other emerging economies. International diversification can reduce your dependence on the performance of a single country's economy. Different countries often perform differently during various economic cycles. While one market may struggle, another may be growing. Adding some international exposure may help create a more balanced portfolio over the long term. ETF number 6, iShares Core U.S. Aggregate Bond ETF, SCHD. Stocks are important for long-term growth, but a well-balanced portfolio often includes another asset class, bonds. One of the most popular bond ETFs is SCHD. This ETF invests in a diversified collection of high-quality U.S. bonds, including U.S. Treasury bonds, government agency bonds, investment-grade corporate bonds, mortgage-backed securities. Unlike stocks, bonds generally provide lower long-term growth potential. However, they often experience less volatility. During periods when the stock market declines sharply, bonds may help reduce overall portfolio fluctuations. That's why investors approaching retirement frequently increase their bond allocation to help preserve their wealth. The appropriate balance between stocks and bonds depends on your age, financial goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. A simple ETF portfolio example. Now you may be wondering, how can I combine these ETFs into one portfolio? There is no single perfect allocation for everyone, but here's an example of a diversified approach that many long-term investors might consider. 40% in a broad U.S. large-cap ETF, such as VOO. 20% in a total U.S. stock market ETF, such as VTI. 15% in a dividend-focused ETF, such as SCHD. 10% in a growth-oriented ETF, such as QQQ. 10% in an international ETF, such as VU. 5% in a bond ETF, such as SCHD. This is only an example, not a recommendation. Your ideal portfolio should reflect your personal financial goals, investment timeline, income needs, and comfort with risk. If you're unsure how to build your portfolio, consider speaking with a qualified financial professional. 5 common ETF investing mistakes. Even the best ETFs can help investors if they make emotional decisions. Let's look at 5 mistakes that can hurt long-term results. Mistake number 1. Trying to time the market. Many people wait for the perfect time to invest. The problem is that nobody consistently predicts market tops and bottoms. Missing just a handful of the market's strongest days can significantly reduce long-term returns. Instead of waiting for perfection, many investors choose to invest consistently over time. Mistake number 2. Selling during market crashes. Market declines can be frightening, but history shows that markets have recovered from numerous downturns over the decades, although future performance is never guaranteed. Selling during periods of panic may lock in losses that could otherwise have recovered over time. Long-term investors often stay focused on their financial goals rather than reacting to short-term market movements. Mistake number 3. Ignoring investment fees. Expense ratios may seem small, but over several decades, higher fees can reduce your investment returns. One reason ETFs have become so popular is that many offer broad diversification with relatively low costs. Always compare fees before investing. Mistake number 4. Checking your portfolio every day. Watching your investments every hour can create unnecessary stress. Markets naturally fluctuate. Successful investors understand that daily price movements rarely determine long-term success. Instead, review your portfolio periodically and make adjustments only when they align with your long-term financial plan. Mistake number 5. Failing to stay consistent. Building wealth isn't about making one brilliant investment. It's about developing consistent habits. Invest regularly. Reinvest dividends whenever appropriate. Stay diversified. And most importantly, give your investments time to grow. Patience is often one of the greatest advantages an investor can have. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. One of the biggest misconceptions about investing is that you need to find the next hot stock. The truth is that many successful investors achieve their goals by following a disciplined, long-term strategy. They don't chase every market trend. They don't panic during temporary declines. They stay committed to their investment plan. Imagine investing a fixed amount every month for 20 or 30 years. Over time, the combination of regular contributions, potential investment growth, and compounding can make a remarkable difference. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to work for you. That's why consistency is often more important than perfection. Final thoughts. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We discussed 6 popular ETFs that many long-term investors follow. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF VOO, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF VDI, Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF SCHD, Invesco QQQ Trust, Vanguard FTSE All World ex-US ETF VU, iShares Core U.S. Aggregate Bond ETF AGG. Each of these ETFs serves a different purpose within a diversified investment portfolio. Some focus on broad U.S. market exposure. Some emphasize dividend income. Others provide access to technology, international markets, or bonds. There is no single ETF that's perfect for everyone. The best choice depends on your financial goals, investment timeline, and willingness to accept risk. The key is to create a diversified portfolio that you can stick with through both good markets and bad. Remember, investing is a journey, not a race. Small, consistent actions taken over many years can potentially lead to meaningful long-term wealth. If you found today's video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Money Solutions for more practical videos on investing, retirement planning, personal finance, saving money, and building long-term wealth. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which ETF is your favorite for long-term investing, and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experience could help other viewers learn as well. Thank you so much for watching Money Solutions. Until next time, stay informed, stay disciplined, and keep investing in your financial future.